Want to know my feelings on Partner with Anthony program? I am loving it. Let me tell you, I wouldn't even hop on here and tell you if I was not, because if you're like me, you have spent a gazillion bucks on programs and tools, and I find myself, I get them and I think, oh, this is going to make things so much easier, make my life so much easier, and I get into it and I'm like, what the heck? Is this a foreign language? And I get so frustrated because I went through this one program and it was a step-by-step, I can't remember how many days it was, 10 or 20, maybe 30 days to build a funnel, basic funnel. I got stuck on day 2. I'm not stupid. Well, I'm not that stupid. But anyway, I got stuck on day 2. And I mean, I reached out. I got help. I couldn't even tell them what was getting me stuck. But this step-by-step program, I was stuck on day 2. Okay? So my money was wasted. I was totally frustrated. I spent hours and hours and hours trying to figure it out because it was, I dreamed about it. It was killing me. So I was really hesitant to even try this Partner with Anthony thing. But it was like $7. Now I did go ahead and do the one-time payment. I think it was $99. I can't remember. But let me tell you what I learned. And this is not even what I thought I was going to learn. I learned how to build a freaking funnel in this. He does it so simple. And I'm like, dude, where have you been? If you're trying to build your email list. If you're not, you should be. If you're wanting to make money online. If you're looking for a side hustle. If you're looking to do affiliate marketing. $7, people. I'll put the link in the description. Give it a shot. $7 freaking bucks. Let me know how you like it. I'll be back with more reviews on this because I am not even halfway through the initial training on one part of it. Hit like, share it, whatever you feel like doing today, let's do it. Just make it a great day. It's Patti Allred, and you can check me out at pattiallred.com, and I will talk to you later.